Video, and there was no mark in the Sushi Bake SF. I tasted it, I was like, yo, I'm not gonna say this who I ran into. Why is this so good and why are you not marketing it? He was like, well, because I'm lazy. This dude gave me Sushi Bake and said he was lazy. He didn't want to do it. So what I did is give him the recipe. Did I steal it? No. I made his exact ingredient, went to YouTube and TikTok, and made my own. And this is how Sushi Bake SF was created. Whoa! And we did land it General Hospital Clinic as a monthly order. It's just freaking insane. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. This is very, very long. I put my back into it. Like an obstacle that God given me, where I have to overcome. And it's kind of crazy happening 2 days before today's event. You know, I was sad, but I'm smiling today. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's just one of those, like, you gotta move forward. You know, sometimes it's not for you, sometimes it's not for you. You know, you always gotta find a different route and just figure things out. And that's what I'm good at, figuring things out. You know? So once again, thank you guys so much. I want to do a quick toast, man. You put that on top of your seaweed, wrap it up, and leave it like as a little taco.
Say the word. Say the word.
Sally already. Sushi Bake. How do you eat it? Wrapped up. 2, 1.
You know he's on.
Right now, I'm Jordan Mill. And let's fucking party up. Thank you.
Let's go! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! You said you're giving away a PS5?